In this video, I'm going to be doing a Siteground Domain Privacy review. I'll be going over what Siteground Domain Privacy is, along with answering the popular questions: is Siteground Domain Privacy worth it? Do you really need Siteground Domain Privacy? I'll also be going over the domain privacy pricing. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of Siteground Domain Privacy and whether or not it's worth having for your needs. I'll also be providing you with a Siteground discount so you can save some money on your Siteground Web Hosting purchase. You will get 73% off Siteground hosting. To take advantage of the Siteground discount, just click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive commission from Siteground at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Siteground discount. Let's get started with the Siteground Domain Privacy review. So what is Siteground Domain Privacy? Domain Privacy is a Siteground extra service that is offered by Siteground when signing up with them, or it can be purchased in the Siteground dashboard. Siteground Domain Privacy protects your personal information from spammers, marketers, unwanted phone calls and postal mail, identity theft, fraudulent domain transfers, and competitors being able to look up which domain you own. When you register a domain name, no matter what domain provider you choose, your personal information goes into the public WHOIS directory, as domain names are regulated by ICANN, a nonprofit organization that is dedicated to making the internet safe and secure. Since the WHOIS directory is public, anyone can get your personal information. It's very common to get lots of spam and marketing emails and calls if you don't choose domain privacy. Spammers and marketers will get your phone number or email address from the WHOIS directory and start sending lots of emails and making lots of calls to you to sell you their services. By choosing domain privacy instead of your personal information showing, Siteground's default contact information for this will show, protecting you and your personal information. I highly recommend domain privacy. Now let's go over the Siteground domain privacy pricing. When signing up with Siteground, once you get to the extra services section, you'll see domain privacy if you choose to register a domain name with Siteground. If you already have a domain name from another provider, this extra service won't show. Domain privacy will cost you $1 per month and is billed annually at a cost of $12 for the year. The regular pricing is $2 per month, which comes to $24 annually. If you have already signed up with Siteground and you need to add domain privacy, you can also do it from the Siteground dashboard. It'll be under the Marketplace section under Domain Services. So in my opinion, is Siteground Domain Privacy worth it? Yes, domain privacy is worth it. I highly recommend domain privacy so your personal information is kept private and so you aren't flooded with lots of calls, emails, and postal mail. I hope this Siteground Domain Privacy review video helped you answer the question of whether you really need Siteground Domain Privacy. If you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.